and you don't have the victim's body?
The defense, yes, I mean, it's a good thing when there's no body, because clearly this case definitely is a circumstantial case. There's really no physical evidence. You're missing the body. There's also no real forensic evidence here tying him to any murder. But most importantly, again, we don't have the body, so it makes it a difficult case for the prosecution.
You know what that also does? It gets a conviction, but it also gives the jury sort of a place to compromise. Yeah, we'll find him guilty of these other charges, kind of like they did, Lara, years ago down in Orange County, Florida. I'm not going to talk about it tonight. I'm not going to talk about it tonight. I'm just not going to talk about it tonight. But so what role does the absence of the old flame, girl Friday, who unfortunately took her own life after she pleaded guilty and was waiting to be sentenced, but she's not in the picture. She can't be called by either side. She may have been the prosecution's best potential witness if they struck a deal with her. Lara?
Oh, is that, well, yes, if they'd struck a deal with her, and if she really did have information. I mean, just because he had
oh, you believe in this coincidence? You believe in this coincidence that the moment that his wife disappears, look who just shows up in my life? Come on.
It's not necessarily look who shows up in my life.
Sunday's Valentine's Day. Don't try to pull that on us.
Even if he was talking to her, even if he was having an extramarital affair, it doesn't mean that he killed his wife. His wife clearly had a history. She tried to commit suicide before. She told her daughter that if she ever does this again, she's going to do it in a way where they're not going to be able to find her body. So she has some issues. Now, did she kill herself? I don't know. We don't know. Time will tell. This trial will show us. But just because he ended up with a woman after she went missing, it doesn't mean he killed her. That can't be enough. It's impossible.
No, it's not enough. It's by itself, it's not enough. But I get a little bit suspicious when the wife disappears and, you know, he doesn't really look for her at all, and then all of a sudden he's in the arms of someone else. I mean,
suspicious is not the same as being guilty of something. Yes, I'm telling you, this case is going to be a circumstantial case built on circumstantial evidence. You have to put all of the evidence that they've got together, and if it makes sense and if there's no reasonable doubt, then the jury is going to find him guilty. But again, just focusing on this one woman,
it's a
the
starting
fact that she's
point.
missing or not,
it's a starting point, Lara.
It's
not the end point. It's the starting point.
Agreed.
Okay.
Agreed. I'll agree with you on this one.
We shall see. It all starts on Monday.